beautiful and detailed guidance. Thus, in order to defend Islam, you must keep in view what he required from his followers and what his expectations were. At one place, he wrote that this is the era of a spiritual war, and a war between good and satanic influences has started. He said that satanic influences would use everything at their disposal to attack and defeat Islam. And so that was why Allah had established the Ahmadiyya community to defeat his influence once and for all. Thus, when an Ahmadi youth takes the badge of the Prophet Messiah Islam with the intention of becoming a true Muslim, they must continually pay attention to their own personal state. Satanic influences are attacking Islam both from within and from outside. There is conflict. There is conflict